Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It is currently January 6th and last night Arctic storm Blaire just moved through and everything is covered. Here's Tecumseh. Sorry buddy, we'll brush you off eventually. But we're gonna go take a walk out in the woods and see what we can find. See what's going on out in the forest after a snowstorm like the one we just saw. So, let's go check it out. Looks like some folks have already been out here. Real quick, pause. Something I'm excited to talk a little bit about is, you might have noticed out at Shawnee Praire, we've got these new 4x4 posts in the ground. We're getting new trail markers. Back in 2022, we got our new map book, and we have some new trail names. We added some new trails. Pretty soon, each of these 4x4 posts, which are stationed at each of the intersections around the park or entrances, should hopefully help guide you through Shawnee Praire. The hope is in 2025 here, every park by the end of the year will have these new guideposts. Will hopefully help you get around. All right, now originally I thought about going deeper into Shawnee Praire, but it is super cold. My fingers hurt. So we're gonna go back the way we came, and we're gonna go left at this intersection, the one that we were stopped and talking about those directional posts. And actually, on the note of those directional posts, I do have some exciting news. Darke County Parks is getting a new trail app that you'll be able to download and use. This app is called Outer Spatial. Outer Spatial is used by quite a few other organizations, and I'll pop them up around the screen right now. This app will allow you to see where you are on the trails, so you will hopefully never get lost, even including with the 4x4 posts. The app will include challenges, so I'll be able to build challenges for you guys to do out on the trails throughout the park district. You'll be able to report problems on the trails. So let's say that on one of your hikes you encountered a tree across the trail. You'll be able to pull up the app, report that tree down, and that will let us know that we have to get out there and clean it up. We'll be able to post information on our events. So much potential. We're very excited. Currently I'm in the process of getting all the data uploaded, and we're hoping for a launch during the Maple Breakfast, Maple Sugar and on the Prairie event. Eastern Screech Owl box. Not sure if it's being used at the moment, but it's definitely a good shelter, especially during storms like the one we just had. Oh, there he is. I was wondering, I heard a woodpecker. He's way up there. Looks like a red-bellied woodpecker. Looking for food. Ooh, did you hear that? Sandhill cranes. Oh, there they are. All right, hold on. We're gonna run to the prairie, all right? We're gonna try and see them. There they are. There we go. I'll put an image of a sandhill crane on so you guys can see what they look like. Very exciting. Well, I think that's a pretty exciting hike. Pretty short, but my hands are cold. You might be wondering, why didn't you wear gloves, Mitchell? Come on. Well, I can't operate the camera if I got gloves on. So, I must endure the cold to bring content like this, like me running through the woods for sandhill cranes to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys stayed warm and kept your power during the Arctic storm. And I look forward to seeing you all in 2025. Until then, everyone, I hope you have a happy new year. Set yourself some New Year's resolutions to get out into the parks. And don't forget to download our app. If you don't already, follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Make sure you watch our website. Come to some of our programs. Look for new videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff going on at the Park District these days. So, if you're not involved, it's a great time to get involved. Everyone take it easy, and we'll see you next time.